Hey guys, this is Duracell Battery CR2032. This battery is for my car remote control. This is the remote here. What I want to do is to show you how to replace the battery. This battery is CR2032. So what you need to do is, if you open the battery, then from this remote control, you need to go at the back. Once you pull it to the left, then you remove the key. Then pull this apart, gently open it. Then you remove this. Then take the battery, slide it in, and it's in. Then put the cover back, push it in, then slide the key back. So this is how to replace the battery. Once you put this key once you pull it to the left, then you remove the key, then gently open this up to remove the battery. So this is how to replace the battery, and once you press, you can see the light is highlighting, red light. And this is for you to open, close, and open. And this one is boot. Thank you.